I'm going to talk about the LTSpice. I'm going to show you how to download it and how to get started. And I already installed it, and once you have installed it, it's going to appear like this. You open here and you can create your circuit. But if you want to download, you have to just go to Google, type LTSpice, download, and the first link you see right here is LTSpice. Click it here and you can download it for Windows, Mac OS, and also you can download the older version as well. Once you are downloaded, you're gonna have this application like this. Open this one, file, new schematic, and here you can start creating the circuit. Now let's go ahead and create a voltage divider for this example. So here to create a voltage divider, I'm gonna put two resistors here. To put a resistor, you click this one, put it right here, and click it one more time for the two resistors, and then click escape to cancel. And then we can put a voltage source by going here, components, click it, and if you scroll, you will see at the end there's a voltage. Click this one, OK, and then put it over here, OK. And then finally we had to connect both of them to the ground, so I put a ground here and then another ground, and after that we do the wiring. To do the wiring, we click this one, and for this one you don't have to worry about going through that because it automatically adjusts for you. So here if you click this one and go all the way up and stop right here, it's gonna, you see, and once you stop, you make sure you always press escape, or otherwise it's gonna go down like this. I don't know, like I couldn't scroll up. Okay, I can move like this, and then click this one. If you want to start continuing again, click the wire, click it here, and then if you put stop, like if you click once, it's going to stop right there, and then go all the way down, and that is it. Our circuit is done. And once you're done that, you can put the values for the circuit just by going here and right clicking, and here let's say the DC value is 10 voltage, so I put a 10 here and then press OK. And for the resistance, I'm going to put 20k resistance, 20k ohm resistance, so I put a 20k. Oh, I can let's do 10k. Okay, 10k, and make the other one 20k. Okay, now we have all the values and stuff. Once we have values, and we can also label this one. Like if you want to label, you create this one, and here whatever we type for this one, this is a voltage divider, so I'm going to type voltage divider and then click OK, and it's going to appear like that. Then you drag it and put it here wherever you like, and press a click, and it's going to be over there. Once you have done the circuit, you can measure all the values. To run the circuits, you have to just click this running man here, click this one. Here for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead with the transient, and you can set whatever the time limit you want. I'm going to just set 1 second, and others you can just leave it as blank and click OK. Once you have click OK, you are gonna get this one. And okay, I don't know, like let me go back. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, like at the end of the schematic, I can show you in the new one. So if you click running man, and you will see the code be appearing here. So for the one we created, there was a dot trans one. That is the one appearing over here. Okay, and once you have done that, now this is appearing this is appearing blank initially. So to click get the values, you have to select the circuit wherever you want. Like for example, if I click this wire over here, it's going to show the voltage over here, and you can see at this time, at this point, we have a voltage 10 voltage because we have a voltage and we don't have any resistance or anything to do the voltage drop. So it's going to be exactly 10 voltage over here, and that's appearing on the graph. And if you go ahead and click over here, this is we have a resistor in between, and this is a voltage divider. So if you click here, there's two voltages appearing. One is over here, that is something 9.9 above, and here also we have another graph that is 6.6 something here. If you want to see exact value, you click this one, and it's gonna appear over. Okay, let me double check. So click this one and then click this line related to it, and you can move wherever you want. Okay, it's showing 10 voltage. Yeah, so this is not the one we want. We want to see this one here, because this is the one after the voltage drop. So what we can do is we can remove this one. To remove this one, you have to just click this one, right click this one, and then delete this trace. And once you have deleted this trace, you see the one over here. But if you want to see it clearly, you can just right click it and zoom to fit, and it's gonna appear like this. So now you can see clearly it's appearing somewhere in between 6.66 and 6.667. If you want to see exact value, you can click the name here, and now you can see horizontally at this millisecond, this is 6.666 some voltage. Now if you want to see some other time, you can move this line around. Like for example, I want to see what's the voltage at 0.2. It's all the same voltage because it's a straight line, but in case you have a different graph and you want to see the voltage value in a different time, you can do that. You can just grab this line and put wherever you want. Now at 200 millisecond, this is the voltage we are getting right here. Okay, like that you can do for the current as well. If you want to do for the current, you click the resistor over here, and you see the current probe appearing, and then click this one and you see the current at that point. So like that, you can do various stuff with LTSpice, and this is my first video on that. I'm gonna go ahead and create a lot of videos about LTSpice. You can watch my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channels. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys on my next video.